Hey guys, want to give you a quick update on the projects we're working on for Da Nang City Red Cross Orphan Center. Before we get started, I want to thank our generous donors, Wally and Kevin from Las Vegas, James and his wife Mariah, there's Grant, thank you, Dale and Lois, very generous as well, and Tuan and La, also from Las Vegas. Thank you to Sue and Hong, generous Aussies, Lee and his daughter Colleen, very generous. These two guys, Jack and Richard, very, very generous. JJ, Rana, Jean-Claude in our pickleball group. Big mahalo to Adam and Steve. Want to thank Fung and his wife New. And of course, roaming with Kevin and Simon. And a big mahalo to Kevin and Evangeline. Also want to thank our subscribers to my channel. Murray C, Andrew, Esther, Nam, Lynn, and Dai. Come on, thank you, and mahalo. And let's not forget donors from Lafty's channel, American Vet in Da Nang, Dan the Man from Hawaii, Mark C, Tio N, Anonymous, and Anonymous. So what you're looking at here is the roof that's been on the building since it was built in 1997, so almost 30 years. It leaks in many spots, so it was time for a new one, and this project accomplished that. So almost 30 years, so it's run its course, got a lot of holes, so it had to be replaced. This is a courtyard that the moms park their bikes in. There's another view. This is the laundry room. It needs a lot of tender loving care, as you can see. The bathroom outside, a sink, and the only toilet they have. And then 2 urinals, which is odd because there's no men at the facility. And here's a sad toy. But thanks again, guys. Your contributions have gone a long way. The cost to do things here in Da Nang are just shockingly inexpensive, so it really does go far. And with the contributions, we're able to not only replace the roof, but also get a canopy replaced as well. We also spend a lot of time together. We get together as groups, as couples, have dinners, go out for drinks. It's just a fun time to be able to connect with people, meet new friends, make long-term friends. It's a funny thing happens when you're an expat. Then, of course, always giving back to charity. So we got mattresses for these cribs. Also going to replace this canopy. You know, and there's some holes in it.
It's old.
It's run its course.
Yeah. The problem is when they built this,
Yeah.
you have the measurement was it right, you see? And this one is straight. So with them even changing the canopy, they're going to have to try to adjust this part of the roof right here because there's still that crack, like that open area.
Yeah.
Water gets down there.
So this is a gap that she's talking about. So that, you know, water falls in when it's raining, so it kind of defeats the purpose. So they're gonna adjust and fix all that as well. Yeah, it's good. It's actually bigger from down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Because the water gets in here, people can slip and fall.
So the repair guys are here working on the canopy, replacing it with a new one because this one has holes in it. And to my understanding, these are the same contractors that worked on the storage room as well as the roof.
Hey, what's up, Simon?
What's up, my brother?
How you doing?
How are you?
So, Vic Q from Australia came by. Oh, okay, wow, look at that. Woo!
Please stand here.
Wow, look at all that.
Awesome, right? Baby diapers, rice, chips.
Oh, yeah?
Sydney.
All right.
Where are you from?
We're from America, the U.S.
Where you from this year?
From Las Vegas.
Las
from
Vegas.
America,
Hey,
yeah.
I love Vegas.
Hey, everybody does. I was born in Hawaii.
Hawaii. Oh.
Hawaiian, Chinese, Filipino, Italian, Portuguese.
Chinese couple. We like Singapore. We like Indonesian.
It's my wife, Vanessa.
Hi, Vanessa.
Hey, Vanessa. Hey, I'm Simon.
Simon. All right.
Very, very generous of you guys to do that contribution. Yeah, we did a fundraiser to re-roof and do the storage room.
guys are brothers or friends?
Yeah, our group. The count is 15, right?
Yeah.
Children.
Yeah, the count's about 15 kids. So
The only two older ones are the
there's two older ones that are like
disabled
18,
greatly.
21, 22, something like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Most of the kids are less than 6 months old. There's about 6 or 8 of them less than 6 months old. Between 6 months and about 4 years old, there's about 6 of them. Since July of 2025, there's been 12 adoptions. 7 have been to local Vietnamese families or within.
So these are the mattresses for the cribs that we got, and then we're also here to drop off a portion of the completion of the project. Storage room done.
Yeah, yeah, storage has done, but not yet finished. The leg is
The floor.
floor.
Okay. And the roof is done. Yeah.
The roof is alright.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and tomorrow cái bạc là cái gì vậy? Cái mái chè.
Oh, the canopy.
The canopy.
What canopy? Canopy.
Yeah.
The canopy to
Replace.
Là thay luôn cái mà. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Brand new one.
Okay.
Yes. Let's go.
Good. Lead the way.
Either way.
Wow.
So they moved, yeah, they moved all the stuff that was in the storage room here for now.
Okay. God, all this fit in the back.
I know they'll make it work. It's like a puzzle.
Okay.
Oh, it looks nice.
that the legs is the floor and the holes.
Across the way.
It's all open with wire.
And then when it rains, everything comes in. It just kind of molds everything and just doesn't. It's not good for the.
Yeah.
Because this is like a storage room for all the kids' stuff.
Is this going to be air conditioned?
Okay. She feels like it's not necessary because there's still like little windows here and there, and it's not anything that needs to be like kept cool.
Yeah.
So with little windows here is fine.
I guess kind of stick with this project for a little bit longer, just to get some improvement done on the bathrooms, which I shared with you videos previously. Let me just do a quick shot of the bathrooms again. This is the toilet that everybody shares. So you can see like a little plywood ceiling thing that holds supplies. This is a urinal, which is not used a lot because they're little kids, maybe a teenager, but the toilet will work better. More storage. And then you have laundry room. And they could use a sink in here. And a folding table, that would be good, make life a little bit easier. More storage. Not sure what these rooms are. It works. A lot of butterflies. Very nice little tree. The kitchen is works. Prepping for breakfast. Hello. Yeah. Hi again.
Yeah.
So it works.
Hello, friend. This will be nice. Oh yeah. It's thick, water resistant, waterproof. Nice. Ceramic tiles, waterproof. What a sweet roof. Wow, and to think I was on this corner just a few weeks ago, pushing down this brittle roof. And now, look at it. Oh man, this is sweet. All the way around. Oh. Very nice.